All right, team. Sunday about noontime. This is going to be out of order. The part after this happened in the morning Sunday. But let's wrap you up. Saturday was Rockstar Party Saturday. We went over 24. We did all our lawns. Me and Long Haul went out and did lawns. Then we had to swing by a rental for a showing, so it ended up being a very long Saturday. I think we only got 2 cans, maybe a can and a half of rental debris, because we are actually running out of stuff that needs trimmed and cut. So we keep ending up with less and less. It's more about cutting grass than making things pretty or nicer or whatever. What else? We did the tree. That'll be next. There's a preview. So I was on the chainsaw, Long Haul and Mrs. Duggar were on the ropes, and Luna was doing the filming for the parts that, obviously she was filming. So let's get into that right now. All right, team. Sunday morning. We worked on this aspen tree a little bit yesterday. Because we had to get some of the branches off that might come through those trees on the way down. I think that's that tree. This tree may be in some trouble. He may get smacked. The plan is to bring it this way. Anyway, I'm gonna get a rope up in there so we can hopefully pull it over. And then we're just gonna cut it. I might cut some other branches when I go up and get my rope on there. We'll see.
So pull. Wimpy. Run! That sounded promising. Man, I should really be filming y'all playing tug of war over there. It's way more entertaining.
All right, team, first half's down, the big half. which isn't the easy half, because the other half's a back leaner. It definitely wants to fall over that way through the fence. So we're doing the rope again. We'll do another notch cut with the back cut, and then we're gonna muscle it over. We'll just pull it over. And the idea is it's gonna fall, you know, sort of on top of the first one. So we'll see what happens. It's got a lot more weight working against you.
You want to do a little like thumbs up for the camera? Yeah.
All right, team, exactly what we planned. Got the little guy laying on the bigger guy. I can't see my phone screen. We'll get our rope out of there so we don't accidentally cut it. Pretty standard notch, pretty standard back cut, nice hinge. A little thin on this side. That's pretty classic hinge right there. I mean, little notch. I didn't want to cut too far through this one because, you know, we had to pull it. We had to at least straighten it up. Anyway, we're gonna limit. And I think that's it. Because cleanup days is next weekend. So anything 4 inches or less we can take and get rid of for free. So we're just gonna go for the 4 inches and less stuff and get it loaded for next weekend. And the log stuff we'll worry about later. Anyway, we'll start cutting her up. All right, team, like I said, instead of limbing it like I said we were going to in the last segment, we're taking a big sody break because we came up with a new plan. We were gonna take it to the Holloway days with the Jeep and small white trailer. We decided we're gonna go 450 and big boy trailer. We'll be doing a lot less cutting, a lot less crunch, because in order to get in a white trailer, I would have had to jump up and down on it and smash it up in little pieces. And I, you know, don't want to unload it in little pieces, rather unload it in 6 foot, 8 foot long branch pieces. So we're going to take the big boy trailer. So we got to do some rearranging. We got to get it hooked up and staged and then start loading. I think that's it though. We're not done for the day, but we're done videoing. Yeah, that's all we're going to work on. We're just going to work on the tree. Getting the tree loaded up for next weekend. So thanks for watching. Take it easy, and we'll see you next week, team.